Alright, go.
Oh, hi there. Didn't see you there. Stop laughing, cameraman person. How is it going? My name is Pat, or on YouTube, I am Player2, and I've been nominated to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and I was nominated by my good friend Jonathan Kalinsky, who's looking all spiffy right over there. He's being a jerk, nominated me. And,
stick it to me.
Oh, lame. Pretty sure that didn't get in camera. But I am nominating 3 people as well. People I'm nominating are my mom, because she wanted me to nominate her for some weird reason. Nominating my girlfriend Lacey, and as well I am nominating the person who's holding the camera right now, Julia Suma. Yeah, that's her beautiful hand. Get it out. Make way for the actual talent. And the thing is that you got to do it in 24 hours, or you got to donate $100 to find a cure for Lou Gehrig's disease. So, without further ado, John here. He's got a bucket of water. And thank you for joining me. I'm just kidding. That wasn't actually... Oh!